Running a business online can make you feel like you need a clone just to keep up. And when you're older, it can feel even more overwhelming. I'm Gwyn Duffy, and I have a simple way to keep your business visible and your sanity intact. Let's dive in. If you're a woman over 50 trying to grow your business online, you've probably been told, just show up more, be consistent, create new content every day. And you've probably thought, I am showing up. I just don't want to be glued to my phone all the time. You're not lazy, you're not behind. You just don't want to hustle like a lunatic. Same. And that's why I built my AI twin. She helps with my content, she plans my launches, and she shows up in photos when I'm doing other things or when I don't like the way I look. But don't misunderstand. She's not me. She's also not the boss. She's the backup. I used to think AI was for tech pros and fancy marketers. Meanwhile, I was just trying to stay visible without feeling overwhelmed and show up when I hated the way I looked, which was more often than not. Then I trained my AI assistant using free online tools to help me show up in a different way. She helps me draft emails and captions, and she edits my video scripts. She organizes launch plans and gives me feedback when I ask for it. She brainstorms with me. She researches what I care about, and she helps fine-tune my voice. And she looks exactly like me, maybe better some days. This isn't just content creation. It's a smart AI business strategy, and it's made for women like us who've already put in the work and have something valuable to say. I still do all the important stuff. I create the vision, I educate, I record the videos, I connect with my community. But now, I don't have to be on every single second to be effective. Because here's the thing that nobody says out loud. You don't need to perform to be successful. You don't need to dance for the algorithm. You don't need to shrink yourself to fit into Gen Z content templates. What you do need is a system that works in your voice with your energy on your terms. And that's exactly what my AI twin does for me. Now, if this makes you exhale just a little or think, is this for real? I've got something for you. I created a free 5-part email series called The AI Advantage for Women Over 50. There's no tech overwhelm. There's nothing complicated. Just a quick look at how I'm using AI to stay visible, creative, and not stressed out. And let me tell you something, no one is more surprised than me that this is part of how I run my business today. But it's given me freedom to have fun, doing what I love and what I'm good at. And truthfully, this technology is here to stay. So learning about it is not going to be a waste of time. If you want to know more, grab the link in the description to get my 5-email series and see some of what I'm doing. You can also meet my AI twin. I call her Gwyn Again. And if you'd like access to the full page where you can get the training yourself, the link is in the description also. You'll be shocked at how affordable it is. Now here's a secret. You don't need to hustle harder or do it alone. You just need the right kind of help. And now you can get it.